Hello kids, I'm Mr. Parrot George. Welcome to Georgie's Kitchen. Today we are going to make some mini cupcakes with blueberries. Ingredients: we need some cake mix, a raw egg, some fresh blueberries, some milk, canola oil, and for decoration, we have whipped chocolate. Let's start. We crack the egg in the cake mix. Perfect. Now, we add the milk. Add it evenly. Later, we add the canola oil. Give a stir. Poke the egg. Keep mixing. See? It turned into a yellow color. Keep mixing the batter well so there's no more lumps of the flour. Now we add in the blueberries. We take away the paper first. Then we add the blueberries. Golden. Now you can put the cupcakes paper in to the holes. Now we add 1 scoop of batter into the cup. Try getting 3 blueberries. We need a bit more. Now, the mini cupcakes are ready to bake. Set the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now it's preheating. We put the mini cupcakes in the oven. Now the mini cupcakes are ready. Be careful, it's hot. Gogo is going to help you to give you some chocolate frosting. Golden. Now this one is ready. Golden, I'll show you something. You can put some eyes on it. Look, Golden. Do you want to make a mouth? Look inside. That's yummy.
Is that yummy? That's great, Gordon.
Thanks for watching, guys. I will be doing many experiments and cooking with you. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out any fun activities. Remember to check the bell so you don't miss out any notifications. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye.